Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing great. Well, yes. So your Sushma ma'am, welcome you everyone here on the Saflan YouTube channel. So you know what we are going to learn today. So today we are going to continue the construction of 8th grade ICSE board. So this is the fourth session and today we are going to learn something new. Whatever we learned in the previous class, that's a new actually. Okay, so here in the last classes I already told you how to construct triangles, yes, and then how to construct the bisectors, the perpendiculars, how to construct the angles and the different type of quadrilateral with a specific condition. But what is new in this class? So in this class we are going to learn how to construct parallelogram. But what is parallelogram? So I'll tell you, don't worry. Okay, so these things we are going to cover in our today's class. But first, for our new viewers, I'll introduce what is Siflearn. So Siflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. And even for the upper KG or for the lower KGs also, we pilot the new course, that is ACE Reader. If you want to see what we are providing, you can visit to our website, that is www.siflearn.com, and you can follow us on our Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. So you can see all these things in the description box. So you can see here all the classes are 100% live and interactive class. Yes, interactive means student and teacher sitting face to face in the virtual one, yes. And each and every student get the personal attention of their teacher, because the maximum number of students in our class only 6. Even we have the one-on-one also. That's according to your requirements. And here student can ask their doubt without any hesitation. Yes, any number of questions. And we have the academic team. Even we have the number of team which are working on backend, but the academic team, they are directly interacting with the parents and tracking the student progress. So they are in regular touch with parents for solving their queries, and we are covering your syllabus as per your school exam schedules and also handle custom requests. So custom request means if you require some extra classes, some revision classes, we are providing the same, but that is for the enrolled student. And for the completion of every lesson plans of the every chapter, we are providing you the homeworks that will be of subjective as well as the objective, plus the practice test. And the practice test is the number of 4500 plus, means the limit unlimited. Yeah, 4500 is not a short one. Okay, so just देर किस बात की, जल्दी से एक ट्रायल क्लास आप बुक कीजिए and visit to www.siflearn.com and share your experience with me here in the comment box. And those who are new viewers, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and जिन्होंने अभी तक नहीं किया वो भी, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll never miss any of the update. And if you feel this class is really helpful for you, press the like button, comment and share. ओके, बिकॉज पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. तो चलिए आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो दिस वन इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन fourth session of the construction one. Okay, so in today's class we are going to learn how to construct parallelogram with two consecutive sides and included angle. What is the meaning of consecutive sides? I'll tell you. And construct a parallelogram with two consecutive sides, one diagonal. What is a diagonal, kids? Okay, so be ready with your tools, okay, because we are going to construct the parallelogram. Okay, so construct a parallelogram when both the diagonals and angle between them are given. So actually here the three different conditions, and with the three different conditions, specific conditions, we have to construct a parallelogram. Okay, but उससे पहले आपके लिए है एक surprise, means let me check your knowledge. So according that's these questions based on what you learned in the previous classes, okay, in the previous session. So first question is construct the quadrilateral PQRS where PQ equals 5 cm, QR equals 3, RS is equals to 5 cm and PS 4 cm and the diagonal is SQ cm. So what is the first step? So the first step, always draw the rough sketch, okay, rough sketch, that is PQRS. And the PQ length is 5 cm, QR is 3 cm, RS is 5 cm, PS is 4 cm, and the diagonal given is, that is SQ is 6 cm. This is a rough sketch. Okay. Now let's start how to construct. So I told you whenever the four sides and the diagonal is given, so how to start. So you always start with a base. What is that base? So diagonal is the base for your construction. Okay, so here I'll start with SQ, that is 6 centimeter. Now S as a center, and you have to hold your compass, and your compass needle on should be on S, and S as a center, and with a radius of, you can choose any of that, that is 5 centimeter or 4 centimeter. That's your choice. So I'll go with 5 centimeter. Okay, so 5 as a radius and S as a center. I just cut an arc over here. Okay, similarly Q as in center, and the radius is of 3 centimeter. Just I could mark over here, and with the help of ruler join these 2 points, and you know this intersection point known as R. This one is 5 centimeter. So whenever you want to construct a triangle, this quadrilateral, okay, and the 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, so first we have to construct the triangle. एक ट्राइंगल हो गया, अब दूसरा ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो हियर अगेन S as a center, and this time 4 as a radius, 4 centimeter as a radius. Similarly Q as a center, 5 centimeter as a radius, and this intersection point known as P. Okay, and when you join these 2 points, so you see this is the final quadrilateral. Easy. So don't forget to write down these steps, construction steps. That is very, very important if you want to score full out of full. So this construction question may be of 4 to 5 points. Okay, that marks. So in that one, this half of the mark goes to the construction, but the remaining 1.5 or 2 marks goes to the construction steps. And no need to memorize. Some student memorizing and all these things. No rectification needed for this. Whatever you are drawing, whatever you are constructing, the same step, that is the first one, second one, the same. Okay, clear? Now let's move to the next question. So question number 2, construct a quadrilateral ABCD if AB equals to 6 centimeter equals to AC. Means AB and AC having the same length, that is 6 centimeter, BC equals to 4 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter, and AD is equals to 4.5 centimeter. So the first step is construct the rough sketch. Okay, so इस time हमने solid वाला ले लिया है, and here that will be, okay, I'll take the another one because हम diagonal कैसे show करेंगे. Okay, so here that A, B, C, D, and this AB is 6 centimeter, AC is also 6 centimeter, students, and this BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 5 centimeter, and this AD is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so some of the students thinking, ma'am, what is the difference between the first question and this one? Here also we have the 4 sides and 1 diagonal. But kids, in the classes I told you how to construct the same quadrilateral with different method. So here I'll recall that thing. Okay, so in the previous one we start with the diagonal, but this time we'll start with the base, means the side of the quadrilateral. Okay, so here this time I'll start with AB. You can go with AD also, because from A we need to start. You can go with BC also. Okay, so here I'll go with AB. So first I draw a line segment that is of 6 centimeter. So this is my first step. So I can write down. Okay, now the next one is A as a center and of radius 6 centimeter. I could just cut a mark over here. Okay, similarly B as a radius and 4 as a radius, you cut an arc over here. This intersection point is your C, and the same with the help of ruler. जब भी कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हो कभी भी पेन से कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं करना है. You have to always construct with a pencil. कभी भी रफ स्केच आपने बना लिया, इट्स ओके, यू कैन ड्रॉ विद अ सिंपल रूलर. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि हाथ से ही बना लिया है. एंड व्हेन यू कंस्ट्रक्ट ऑल दिस थिंग यू नीड टू यूज योर टूल्स, compass box tools. Okay, now what is remaining now? A as a center and 4.5 centimeter as a radius, cut an arc over here. Now C as a center and 5 centimeter as a radius, so this point is your D. देखिए कितना जल्दी हमारा कंस्ट्रक्शन डन हो गया. So यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा स्क्रीन पे वैसे कर रही हूँ, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू यूज योर पेंसिल एंड दैट कंपास बॉक्स, योर प्रोटेक्टर, योर ओके कंपास, एवरीथिंग. इज इट क्लियर? था इजी क्वेश्चन. तो आज का टॉपिक क्या है? पैरेललोग्राम, हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दैट. But before that, let's revise the properties of parallelogram. First, we'll see what is parallelogram actually. So, parallelogram is a special type of quadrilateral. Why special type of quadrilateral? Because some different figure, some different four-sided figure that comes under parallelogram, which is having all the properties of parallelogram plus they have their own properties. Okay, so what is parallelogram? Let's revise. So, you know, the rectangle is a parallelogram, but parallelogram is not a rectangle. Can anyone tell me the reason? Yes, write down your answer in the chat box. चलिए, तो एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हम यहाँ पे. here the parallelogram. Okay, so this is my parallelogram. Here the first property is, the name is ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. First property is opposite sides are parallel and equal. What is the meaning of parallel? Parallel means they'll never intersect each other. So हमने ये भी सीखा था कि कब हम किस लाइन को parallel बोल सकते हैं, कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं. When their corresponding angles and their alternate angles are equal, है ना, interior, exterior, so many things we learn. And now AD and CB, they are also equal. So these are the showing the equal sign. So they are parallel as well as equal. So this is the first property, AB equal to CD. अब आप बोलोगे मैम ऐसा तो rectangle में भी होता है. Exactly, इसलिए तो मैंने बोला rectangle is a parallelogram. Okay, now the next property is of the diagonal. Okay, so here this one. Okay, so now O as a center here. So the second property is diagonals are bisecting each other. What is the meaning of bisect? So suppose if I have a length of 6 centimeter line segment, so bisecting means just dividing into two equal parts. The first part O is equals to 3 centimeter, OC equals to 3 centimeter, dividing into half. Okay, so here OA equals to OC. Similarly, OB equals to OD. Clear? Second property, bisecting. Diagonals are bisecting each other. And these diagonals actually bisecting the angles also. And you know, the opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Equal. Means angle A equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. And because of this diagonals, the angles are also bisect. Is it clear? So these are the properties of parallelogram. So let's see the different specific condition. With the help of these, we need to construct this parallelogram. So the first condition is parallelogram when two consecutive sides. What is the meaning of consecutive sides? The side to side sides. Yes, because the opposite sides are equal. So here consecutive sides are given and the included angle are given. Let's see the question, and that's very important one and the easiest one. So here the question is, construct a parallelogram ABCD with sides AB equals to 4 cm and AD equals to 5 cm and angle A equals to 60 cm. So guys, what is the first step? The first step is to construct, that's not construct, first to draw a rough sketch. Yeah. So the name is ABCD. अगर कोई नाम नहीं दिया है figure का, so you can give your own. But if the name is given, you have to draw the same. You have to give the same. Okay. So AB is 4 cm. AD is 5 cm. हो गई consecutive side वाली. Yes. And the next one is angle A is given, that is of 60 degree. अब आप बोलोगे मैम ये तो 90 degree है. This is the rough sketch kids. Okay. So this one is a 60 degree angle. So how to construct? So here I can go with AB. I can start with the base AB or AD. But why AB and AD only? Why not BC, CD? Because here we have the angle 60 and if you want to construct the angle, so you need the base. So base ही नहीं होगा तो आप angle कैसे draw करोगे, construct करोगे. Okay, so here you to construct this 60-degree angle you can use your compass. Otherwise you can also use your protractor. Okay, if that is not specified, and actually वो मैं आपको बता चुकी 60 डिग्री कैसे यूज करना है, 60 डिग्री आप कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हो. यस, तो चलिए देखते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो आई विल गो विद ए बी, इवन यू कैन गो विद ए डी ऑल्सो. सो ऐसा कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है कि आपको ए बी ही स्टार्ट करना है. टीचर ने स्टार्ट ए बी से किया था तो हमें नो नो नो. ओके, सो 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड नाउ ए एज अ सेंटर. सो हियर आप अगर मैं प्रोटेक्टर से ड्रॉ करती हूँ तो जस्ट आई पुट प्रोटेक्टर ओवर हियर, है ना. सो ये जो मिडल पॉइंट है यहां से क्या करना है, 60 डिग्री एंगल ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो दिस वन इज माय 60 डिग्री एंगल. यू कैन गो विद योर कंपास आल्सो. नाउ ए एज अ सेंटर एंड द रेडियस ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर. आई जस्ट कट एन आर्क ओवर हियर. ओके, अब क्या करेंगे, सोचिए क्या कर सकते हैं, बताइए. So here how to do that one. So ये यहाँ पर नहीं लगेगा, ये आर्क कहाँ पर लगेगा, this and this ray is x ना. Yes, so we have to cut an arc over here. Correction, ठीक है. So हमेशा ऐसे नहीं है कि एंगल ड्रॉ कर दिया और हमने बाहर की साइड कंस्ट्रक्ट किया. No, you have to cut an arc over this because ये आपकी साइड है, 60 डिग्री एंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है. ओके, so the opposite angle is also 60. अगर वो दोनों अपोजिट एंगल 60-60 हैं, सो व्हाट आर द रिमेनिंग एंगल्स, सोचिए और मुझे आंसर कीजिए चैट बॉक्स में. सो दिस वन इज योर 5 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ दिस वन इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. द अपोजिट एंगल इज आल्सो मींस अपोजिट साइड इज आल्सो 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो नाउ हियर आप इसको नाम दे सकते हो डी. ओके, सो बी एज अ सेंटर यू कट एन आर्क ओवर हियर ऑफ रेडियस 5 सेंटीमीटर. अब हम सी कैसे पता लगाएं, वेरी इजी. क्या करना है, D as a center and the radius is of 4 centimeter. लगा दीजिए यार, and with the help of ruler simply join these. Okay, so ये मैंने इसको dotted में किया था. Now see the final parallelogram ready. So 5 centimeter and this one is your 4 centimeter. Okay, क्लियर. सो कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हो तो एंग आपको आर्क बाहर नहीं लगाना है, उसी रे पर लगाना है जो से आपने एंगल ड्रॉ किया. क्लियर. तो ओके, सो हियर आई विल शो द स्टेप्स. देखो इसमें क्या करना है, सबसे पहले कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है लाइन सेगमेंट, मतलब स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको ऐसा शो करना है. ओके, सो यू कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट इन द प्लेन फिगर. यस, आप एक स्पेस में अच्छे से कंस्ट्रक्ट करो और ऐसा नहीं है कि मेसी नहीं बनाना, क्लमजी नहीं बनाना, बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन आपको बहुत स्पेस देके. ओके, द सेकेंड एंड ऐसे ही आपको मूव करना है. देखिए फाइनल. ओके, सो स्टेप्स आपको लिखना बहुत कंपलसरी है. नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, द सेकेंड कंडीशन इज पैरेललोग्राम व्हेन 2 consecutive sides and 1 diagonal is given. सो एज यूजुअल हम क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं. So question is construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equals to 6 centimeter, ABC equals to 4.5 centimeter and diagonal AC equals to 6.8 centimeter. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक rough sketch that the name of the parallelogram here ABCD. Yes. So AB is of 6 centimeter, BC is 4.5 centimeter, diagonal is of here this one, yeah, 6.8 सेंटीमीटर. अब यहां बोलोगे मैम साइड्स तो दी नहीं है. कोई बात नहीं, साइड्स नहीं दी बिकॉज यू नो दिस वन इज 4.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस वन इज योर 6 सेंटीमीटर. सी एवरीथिंग इज गिवन. सो हियर ये वाला जो पैरेललोग्राम है हमने जो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन किया था रिकॉल करने के लिए, वैसा ही सेम है. देखते हैं कैसे. ओके, सो हियर वी विल स्टार्ट विद द बेस. आई विल स्टार्ट विद बेस. ओके, so first we'll draw the line segment that is of 6 centimeter AB line segment. so हमने क्या किया था, इस टाइप से जब डायगोनल दिया होता है तो क्या करते हैं हम. सो सपोज किसी को पता ही नहीं कि प्रॉपर्टी क्या है पैरेललोग्राम की और आप कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के लिए चले गए, बट यू डोंट नो द प्रॉपर्टीज. सो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि ये 4.5 सेंटीमीटर होगा एंड दैट विल बी 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो इसीलिए पहले प्रॉपर्टी you must know and then you can go to the construction. Okay, so now A as a center, and this time the radius is of 6.8 centimeter, and you have to cut an arc over here. Now B as a center and the radius of 4.5 centimeter, cut an arc over here. This point is your C. किया था हमने सेम ऐसा ही कुछ, याद आ गया? वेरी गुड. ओके, सो इसको हमने अच्छे से लाइन को ज्वाइन नहीं किया. यस, एंड देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? A as a center, and this time this one is 4.5 centimeter. Yes, so here you have to cut an arc over the here with a radius of 4.5 centimeter. Now C as a center, and you know this one is of 6 centimeter. So क्या करना है आपको? 6 centimeter का arc लगाना है, and this point is your D, and with the help of ruler simply join these. Easy. This one is 4.5 centimeter, and this one is your 6 centimeter, and this one is your 6.8 centimeter. हो गया final. So first step is draw line segment that is of 6 centimeter AB. Now A as a center, cut an arc of radius 6.8 centimeter. B as a center, cut an arc over of 4.5 centimeter, and this point is known as C. Join with the help of ruler. You have to write down everything in the steps. Okay, now A as a center, and you know the property of the parallelogram, so the opposite sides are of equal length, 4.5 centimeter radius, cut an arc over here, and C as a center, 6 centimeter, cut an arc over here, and just simply join with the help of ruler, and you will get your final this parallelogram. Okay, so मैं अभी आपको ये सब steps ऐसे show करके नहीं दिखाने वाली हूँ. I think the idea is clear. Yes, fine. तो चलिए, एक्चुअली आपको स्टेप्स ना याद नहीं रखने, एक जस्ट आपको एक आइडिया लेना है. ओके, एंड जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना क्या होता है, उतनी परफेक्शन आती है, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. ओके, सो नाउ द थर्ड टाइप इज parallelogram when both the diagonals and the angle between them are given. This time no sides given. अब sides नहीं दिया है मैम, कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? So here let's take one question and let me explain you. So construct a parallelogram whose diagonal are of length 5.4 centimeter and 6.2 centimeter. An angle between them is 70 degree. You know, you can take this one as 70 degree as well as 110 degree. But how? Let me explain you this part also. Okay. So here first thing is the rough sketch. This time we don't know the name, so you can give any name, P, Q, R, S, A, B, C, D, your names, anything. Okay, so the diagonal is given, so diagonal length here. Okay, so this PQ here, that one is the 5.4 centimeter and one is 6.2 centimeter. Okay, this total one, and angle between them is 70. Okay, चलो एक बात करते हैं कि suppose this one is 70. Okay, so what about this? If you see this line, okay, here suppose this type is there. If suppose this one is 70 degree, what about this? You know this one is a linear pair. Okay, so now if suppose this is 70 degree, so this the remaining one is linear pair, means the sum of angle, that is 180. है ना, 180. So 180 minus 70, so that will be 110. So अगर एक साइड में 70 डिग्री अगर डायगोनल एंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है, so अदर साइड में 110 करेगा, बिकॉज द लीनियर पेयर दैट इज ऑफ 180 डिग्री. ओके, जो 70 दिया है, तो नेक्स्ट साइड में क्या होगा? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि यहाँ पर भी 70 होगा, यहाँ पर भी 70 होगा, यहाँ पर भी 70 और यहाँ, बिकॉज दैट विल बी ऑफ 360. अगर आप 70 70 70 70 करोगे तो दैट इज विल बी ऑफ 280, और उससे तो आपका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा. लॉजिक समझ में आया? दैट इज क्लियर. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस टाइप ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड हियर वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद डायगोनल, बिकॉज दैट इज ओनली गिवन. जो भी गिवन होता है सबसे पहले वो लिख दीजिए, उसके बाद आपको पता लग जाएगा आपको करना क्या. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ डायगोनल, बट उससे पहले प्रॉपर्टी याद कीजिए. Yes, so suppose this one is, if PR is of 5.4 centimeter, So what is OP and what is OR? They are equal in length, but length क्या होगी इनकी? Measurement क्या होगा? That is half. So half of 5.4 will be, yes, 2.7 centimeter. Clear? Very good. Now the same QS is given, that is of 6.2 centimeter. So OS equals to OQ, and here that is half of 6.2 means 3.1 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. सो अब आप क्या कर सकते हो, या तो आप एक पूरा डायगोनल ड्रॉ कर लो, या फिर आप ऐसे कर सकते हो कि आपने एक हाफ ड्रॉ किया. ओके, मीन्स 2.7, that is OP. Okay, 2.7 centimeter. And now O as a center, you have to draw an angle of 70 degree. So 70 ऐसे तो होगा नहीं, that will be of obtuse one. So means आप यहाँ से एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे 70 डिग्री का. Is it clear? 70 degree. And this from O you have to cut an arc that is of 3.1 centimeter. 3.1. Okay, 3.1 centimeter. अब this O as a center na, so what you have to do, you have to extend this OP 2.7 centimeter. ठीक है. So 2.7 आपको क्या करना है, extend करना है. So you can extend here with the help of ruler simply. Okay, so this one is your R, 2.7. And now similarly from this O, now this one is P, extend this one also 3.1 centimeter. Okay, so this one is your Q and this one is your S. Now with the help of rulers simply join these points. And see, you will get. ओके, तो अब जब आप रूलर से उससे ड्रॉ करोगे तो और भी नीट एंड क्लीन आएगा. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? सो अगर आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हो, इफ दिस वन इज योर 70, तो ये एंगल कितना डिग्री हो रहा है? 110 डिग्री हो रहा है. ओके, क्लियर? बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन था ना, बट यू मस्ट नो द प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, सो हियर द फैक्ट, यू नो, दिस parallelogram is a non-self intersecting quadrilateral. What is a non-self intersecting? Because आपको पता है कि the opposite sides are parallel. So कैसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि parallelogram is a non-self intersecting quadrilateral? So it must follow some properties. So ये statement कुछ true होने चाहिए, जैसे कि two pair of opposite sides are parallel. पैरेलल होंगे, इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं होंगे, तो नॉन सेल्फ इंटरसेक्टिंग हो जाएगा, अपने आप को इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं करेगा. एंड टू पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, पैरेलल भी हैं, इक्वल भी, मींस द प्रॉपर्टीज इक्वल इन लेंथ, एंड टू पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल इन मेजर. Clear? Means these are the property. If the quadrilateral follow these, so means that is known as parallelogram. So question of the day: what things are shaped like a parallelogram? Enlist 10 examples. So जल्दी से कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने आंसर दे दीजिए. मैं आपको कुछ हिंट दे सकती हूँ. मेरे सामने है टेलीविजन. Yes, TV. So the screen is of rectangle. Rectangle is nothing but parallelogram. Table, especially my laptop, and the bed, window, door, so many examples. So आप मुझे example दीजिए कि parallelogram की shape. Okay, so what we learn here? So we learn how to construct parallelogram and the conditions: two consecutive side, angle given, two consecutive side, one diagonal given, and two diagonal, and one angle is given in between that diagonals. And we recall and we learn a lot. Yes. So thank you. This is the end of this session. But don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and never miss. You will never miss any update. And press the bell icon. Comment. So how's today's class? Okay. And if you want any particular specific topic, you can write down. You can mention in the comment box. And don't forget to share. But उससे पहले एक छोटी सी लाइन कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. ओके, सो मिलते हैं सुषमा मैम के साथ नेक्स्ट सेशन में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ, इसी के कंटिन्यूएशन के लिए. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी यू, बी सेफ, स्टे एट होम.